Hi everyone, let me show you now how to use dimension. For those who are familiar with Scopus, it is very similar to Scopus where it is a kind of bibliographic or index database where it locates all the majority of the peer-reviewed journal worldwide. So first of all, you just go to dimension.ai. Next, you can click access for free. So this is the view for dimension. So you just go here, then you are able to search in dimension through full data or title and abstract, and also by DOI. So let me try to search by full data. So I just key in my keyword and then click search. So by default, they're going to show you the publication. As you can see here, this is the number of publication and this is the result according to the relevancy. So as you can see in the middle here are the results according to your keyword. But before you start downloading them, it is better for you to filter using the filtering function available on the left hand side of the page. So as you can see here, you can filter and narrow down your search according to year of publication. For example, I'm choosing the last 5 years for instance. You can also choose any other filter function. You can choose the researcher's name here, the field of research. You can even choose more than one as long as it is relevant to you, and many more like publication type. For example, I choose article only, source title, this is the name of journal, journalist, and also the open access information. So you can choose if you want to do so, otherwise you just leave it. After you have filter, you can click limit to. So basically they're going to narrow down according to your filter. Okay, now you may also want to see this one. If you want to download and see the result according to relevancy, so this is the result. You can also change them according to publication date. Maybe you want to see the recent article. You can also choose between RCR, FCR, citation, and also a metric citation score. For example, I want to see according to citation, so you just click citation. So according to your keyword, they're going to show you the result now according to the citation received. So the highest will be on top of the result. And if you want to download the article, for example, I want to download this specific article, so you just click on the title. So basically from here, you can get more detailed information about the article. Maybe you just want to have a look before you start downloading them. So this is the abstract. This is the publication references. This is the citation for this specific article, and also policy document citation received. Other than that, if you want to further explore about any specific article, you can also get them from here. For example, you have the publication metric between dimension, batch, and also L metric. So if you click this number, basically they're going to bring you to another page providing you with more detailed information about that specific article. So this is the total citation. The recent citation is basically the 2 years recent citation received by this article. You can also click citation, then you're going to see in detail those article cited this article, and also this is the graph of citation. So meaning that the citation received is increasing from time to time, especially on the recent years. And you can also click this one in order to see citing research categories. So which research category citing this specific article. So you may get some ideas from here as well. So of course, most of them coming from commerce, management, tourism, and services. But you may also see other field as well, including engineering, medical, and sciences, and so on. Beside that, you can also click this one, Altmetric. For those who know about Altmetric, it is among the recent metric provided where it's going to measure how popular that article uh, online. So including, if you click this one, so this is the Altmetric number. So they're going to show you, okay, mentioned by 21 news outlet, blog, tweet, Facebook, and so on. So this is the information if you want to further explore. And if you want to see detail, okay, which news mentioned about this specific article, you can click this one. So this is the article in the news, blog, policy document, Twitter, who tweet about this article, and so on. Okay, after investigating all the information about this specific article, and if you plan to download them, you can simply find them on top here, view PDF. As well as you can get them from here, external sources, full text at publisher site. So if you click this one, for instance, they're going to bring you to publisher's website. So if you are outside campus, outside USM, basically we're going to ask you to log in through our open attend function, so that they're going to verify you as USM user. So will be able to download the full text directly from the platform. For example, okay, like this one, they do provide me with download full text, so you just download from here. If you cannot download them, so you can use another alternative provided by USM Library. You can go to library website and apply through our interlibrary loan form. So let me show you. It is available here. You can go to library website. So you can go directly to services, then you can click interlibrary loan services. Okay, for those who new to this service, if you go to any database and suddenly you cannot find the full text for that specific article that you need, actually you can apply through this one, interlibrary loan for article. So you just need to fill in our Google form. So of course you need to key in your USM email, then provide us with your detailed information, including your email, contact information, and also the information about the article that you are looking for. We're going to try to search it through open access platform, and we're going to ask from our colleague from other public universities library. So this is basically how you can use Dimension in order to get the article that you need. Thank you.